Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12 mini. No IMEI and no Wi-Fi signal problem. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Place it to a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. Checking the layered connectors. Seems few connectors are damaged. Cleaning the connectors through soldering iron. Again, place it to a layered heating system to assemble the motherboard layers. Now assemble the phone. Connect the phone to the computer, reinstall firmware. Turn on the phone. And that's it. We've successfully resolved the iPhone 12 mini no IMEI and no Wi-Fi problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.